Welcome to the video on Introduction to TypeScript. Today we'll explore TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript with powerful features. Let's start with static typing. TypeScript allows you to specify data types for variables, functions, and objects, catching errors early. Next up, interfaces. Define object structures and contracts for classes or functions, enhancing readability. TypeScript supports object-oriented programming. Create classes and utilize inheritance, encapsulation, enums define named constant values, making your code expressive and easily understandable. Generics enable reusable components and functions for different data types, reducing duplication. Type annotations and inference provide flexibility. Specify types explicitly or let TypeScript determine them. Union and intersection types offer great flexibility, combining and merging multiple types. Decorators add magic. Modify class, method, and property behavior elegantly. TypeScript and Angular go hand in hand. TypeScript is the language of choice for Angular development. The Angular KI includes TypeScript automatically. Get started without a separate installation. To sum it up, TypeScript empowers JavaScript with static typing, interfaces, classes, enums, generics, and more. It forms a solid foundation for modern web development, especially with Angular.